You're so nice. So, today we're going to practice ser and estar, okay? I'm going to go over it one more time just to, make you remember, okay? And then we'll practice, okay? And you know that when we practice, you can write everything down. I will read your comments and I will correct you. And remember that we don't care if we make mistakes here, okay? Mistakes are the best way of learning, okay? So we have to practice, we have to make mistakes, okay? To learn, okay? So, ¿estamos listos para aprender ser and estar? Are we ready? I'm sure we are. Okay, ¿estoy segura que sí? Okay, so let's do this. Okay, let's go. We're going to start now, okay? Okay, so ser or estar. We have gone through this so many times, but I wanted to make sure you know when to use ser, when to use estar. So what I've done is to put an example for each and every one, okay? So that you can understand it better. So, when do we use ser? Ser is for permanent situations, so things that are for sure. Like the sky is blue, right? El cielo es azul, okay? Also, to identify something. So if I say, ¿qué es eso? Okay, what is that? Eso es, in this case, eso es un avión. Okay, that is a plane, okay? To describe, okay, so la niña es muy guapa. The girl is very beautiful, okay? To describe. To express the origin, so where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? Okay, we use ser. So, soy, okay, de España, if I'm talking about me, or tú eres de, I don't know, whatever, de Londres, de India, de Estados Unidos, okay? So, sorry, to identify the origin. Okay, next one, to express a point in time. Okay, so, hoy es domingo, or in our case, hoy es miércoles, okay? A time, okay? So, are we good? I'm losing my voice here, sorry. Estar. Estar is for temporary situations, okay? So, for example, if I'm bored, that I hope you're not, okay? You could say, estoy aburrido, okay? I'm bored. It doesn't mean you're boring, okay? If I said you're boring, I mean that you are. Tú eres aburrido, okay? So, temporary conditions, for example, el coche está roto, okay? The car is broken. It's a temporary one, okay? You will get it fixed, okay? And location, if I ask, where is, okay, ¿dónde está? ¿Dónde está Jaime? Okay, where is Jaime? Okay, location. Okay, so that's it. Are you ready to practice? Let's do this, okay? Thank you for the hearts. Okay, so, ser or estar. Hola, ¿qué tal? What would you say? Hola, ¿qué tal? Hola, ¿qué tal? I want to read it. I want to see your answers. Hola, ¿qué tal? So, hi, how are you? Okay, we can say está if you're using usted, okay? But if I want to use tú, ¿qué tal estás? Okay, hola, ¿qué tal estás? Muy bien. Perfect, yes. ¿Qué tal estás? Muy bien. I love to read all your answers. Hola, ¿qué tal está? If we're like using usted, ¿qué tal está usted? But if I'm using tú, ¿qué tal estás? Okay? Muy bien. So in Spain, we use more like tú. ¿Qué tal estás? Okay? But I know that somewhere else you use more usted. So we can use both. Okay, Luisa, científica. So Luisa is a scientist. What would you say here? Luisa es científica or Luisa está científica? What do you think? Let me know. Luisa, científica. Muy bien, Luisa es científica. Ay, muchas gracias. Otro saludo para ti. Luisa es científica. Muy bien, I'm reading all your comments. Luisa es. Muy bien. Perfecto. Great, everyone. Es perfecto. Okay, next one. La casa muy sucia. Tenemos que limpiarla. So the house is super dirty. We have to clean it up. So what would you say here? La casa? Thank you for the hearts. You make me so happy. So, la casa muy sucia. The house is so dirty. Muy bien, la casa está muy sucia. Tenemos que limpiarla. Muy bien, muy bien. I'm reading all your answers. Perfect. Muy bien. Está with accent mark in the A, okay? Está. Muy bien. ¿De dónde vosotros? So, where are you from? And the you is plural. Vosotros. ¿De dónde? What would you say? We have studied today, so. ¿De dónde? Well, I'm asking you plural. ¿De dónde? Sois. Perfect. ¿De dónde sois vosotros? Okay, remember, origin is verb ser. Okay, ¿de dónde sois vosotros? Perfect. Son ustedes. Okay, but we are putting vosotros. Sois vosotros. Muy bien. Perfecto. Muy bien. I'm saying all your answers. Muy bien. Great. Okay. Muy bien. Yay. So, okay. Vosotros is the you and plural, okay? Remember that. Muy bien. Perfecto. Okay, next one. Mi gato precioso. So I'm describing my cat and I'm saying that he is beautiful. So, what do we use to describe? Like, he is always like that. I mean, I'm describing something that he is, you know? Mi gato es precioso. Perfecto, because it's permanent, okay? He is beautiful, okay? So that's the reason why we use that verb, ser. Perfecto. Muy bien. Yay! Muy bien. I love to read all your comments and all your answers. Thank you so much. Okay, but if I say, hoy, mi gato precioso. So I'm implying that it's today when he's looking so gorgeous, okay? So then, what do you think we would use? Hoy, mi gato precioso. Muy bien. Eso es. Muy bien. Xavier, Sarine, Mary, Edina. Muy bien. I'm reading all your answers. Muy bien. Celine, Mark. Muy bien. Benzín, muy bien. Hoy mi gato está. Benzín, está. Because it's today, okay? Hoy mi gato está precioso. Okay? Muy bien. Muy bien. Okay, next one. El sol, una estrella. What do you think? So the sun, a star. What do you think? What would you choose here? Ser or estar? Thank you for the hearts. So, el sol, una estrella. What do you think? The sun is a star. So, what would you choose? Es una estrella. Muy bien. Perfecto. Es una estrella. El sol es una estrella. Muy bien. Muy bien. Sí. Genial. Okay, let's go to our last slide for today. Thank you. I love it. Okay, este jersey, okay, de lana. What do you think? So, this is not wool, but imagine this is wool. So I'm saying, este jersey de lana. What would you use here? What do you think? It's like, what is it made from? Okay, wool. Oh, thank you. Este jersey es de lana. Muy bien. Muy bien. Este jersey es de lana. Perfect. Muy bien, everyone. Perfect. Muy bien todos. Okay, next one. Este jersey, sucio. It's not. Super clean. I'm telling you. So, este jersey, sucio. What do you think? Ser or estar? Este jersey, sucio. Está. Muy bien, Sarine. So, este jersey está sucio. See the difference? Este jersey es de lana, pero está sucio. Muy bien. Yay! I'm seeing all your comments. all your answers. Está sucio. Okay, remember the accent mark if you can. Maybe you can write it, but I'm only reminding you that it has an accent mark in the A. Okay, muy bien. Muy bien, perfect. Let's go. ¿Te encuentras bien? Are you feeling okay? And then it answers, sí, solo un poco constipado. What do you think? So, ¿te encuentras bien? Are you feeling okay? Sí, solo un poco constipado. So I have a little cold, okay? So what do you think? ¿Ser or estar? Muy bien, perfecto. So exactly, because it's a temporary condition. You'll get over your cold. Okay, perfecto. Estoy. Perfect. So, sí, solo estoy un poco constipado. Muy bien, o constipada. Okay. And this one, you might see it as constipado or constipada, okay? It's like both ways are accepted, okay? Muy bien, estoy un poco constipada. Muy bien. Ese niño muy travieso, okay? Pero hoy se está portando muy bien. Okay, so that boy, naughty, but today he's behaving so well. So, ese niño, I'm describing the boy. Exactly, perfecto. He is like that. Ese niño es muy travieso. Perfect. Because he's always like that, right? Muy bien. Yeah, you get it. Yay, muy bien. Perfect. Okay, we only have 2 left. ¿Contentos? And I have to ask vosotros, okay? So I'm asking, are you happy? Okay, so what would you say? We have to choose between ser and estar, remember, and this is a question. ¿Contentos vosotros? Okay, that's the you in plural, remember. So, what would you say? Yay, muy bien, Mary. Muy bien, Mark. ¿Estáis contentos? Muy bien. ¿Estáis contentos? Yes, because it's the state, okay, that you're feeling now, okay? Muy bien. ¿Estáis contentos? Muy bien. Yay. Okay, our last one. Hoy, 17 de febrero. ¿Ser o estar? Hoy, 17 de febrero. ¿Ser o estar? What do you think? Hoy, 17 de febrero. So today is, okay? Hoy es, muy bien. Hoy es 17 de febrero. Wow, perfect. Yay. Okay, you did a perfect job. Everything was, wow. Hoy es 17 de febrero. ¿Es 18 ya? Ahí, madre mía. Muy bien. Yay, perfect. So, thank you so much for being here. Remember that if you missed the live, don't worry. You can see it like in YouTube, my YouTube channel, a couple of days. I will upload it, okay? And remember that I uploaded every single slide and practice to the link in my bio, okay? So we are like here. We are here. So we have done so much already. And if you get the lives, remember that you are getting January, February, and whoever knows if I will continue doing this or not. So I hope you have enjoyed this time with me. I love spending time with you every single day. Remember, 9 p.m. Central European Time. And thank you. Gracias a vosotros. I'm so happy to be with you here. Thank you so much. And we'll see each other tomorrow. Okay? Hasta mañana. Un beso enorme. Adiós. Adiós a todos.